In the quiet moments of the morning, the world outside can feel distant, a gentle hum beyond the window pane. But the world inside our devices, it waits with an urgent pulse. A message arrives, a notification demands our attention, and with it, the immediate call to react. This is the first test of the day. The instinct is to answer, to reply, to engage with the same speed at which the message was delivered. We feel a pressure, an unspoken expectation to be instantly available, our thoughts formed in a flash. But immediate reactions often satisfy emotion while weakening wisdom. They are born of impulse, not introspection. They serve the fleeting satisfaction of the moment, but can leave a lasting deficit in our composure and clarity. To act in haste is to offer an unrefined version of ourselves. This is why delay, when chosen with intention, so often protects our dignity. It is not a sign of avoidance, but an act of self-respect. It is the creation of a sacred space between stimulus and response, a quiet sanctuary where perspective can be found. In this space, we can simply breathe. We can feel the rise and fall of our own chest, a rhythm far more essential than the frantic pace of digital conversation. This simple physical act anchors us in the present, pulling our awareness away from the turbulence of emotion and into the calm of our own being. The pause strengthens judgment. It allows the initial emotional wave to crest and recede, leaving behind the clearer, deeper waters of our own wisdom. It is here, in the stillness, that we can ask ourselves what is truly required, what response aligns with our values, not just our feelings. Let calm arrive before the response departs. Let your answer be shaped by the person you are in the quiet, not the person you are in the heat of the moment. The world can wait. Your peace of mind is the priority. True strength isn't the speed of our reply, but the wisdom to know when to offer none at all, and instead simply be present with ourselves.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.